Hello, Chef here. So this green tea is beautiful. I really like it. I can tell right away it's very strong. I can smell the aromas coming off of there. Very nice. You only need to steep your tea bag for a few seconds. You can go a minute if you want to. 5 minutes, you're wasting your time. Okay, there we go. I'm just about ready. I'm going to remove this. I will make several cups of tea out of this tea bag. Oh, that's hot. But over the years, chefs build up tolerance to heat. So that's steaming, it's boiling, but no problem. Let that cool off. Oh, look at that beautiful tea. That's a nice green tea. Very expensive green tea. Ah, the honey. Gotta have some honey in there. There we go. I myself like a lot of honey. I'm gonna put a healthy teaspoon in like this. Oh yeah. Stir it up. Quite often I'll add an ice cube. Ah, oh yeah, beautiful tea. Now, you're wondering what's so special about this tea? This is superfood. This is good for you. But chefs like to use other ingredients. What do we got here? Oh yeah, look at that. This is a very small vial of saffron. 100% pure saffron threads, hand-picked from the crocus flower all the way over there in Spain. Look at that. I'm going to add this. This is so small I could not even weigh it. Probably 25 threads. I want to show you the effect, the color change, and the effect of the saffron, and then I'm going to go into some benefits of that as well. Search saffron on this channel to learn more benefits. Let's wait about 60 seconds. Oh yeah, there we go. Okay, so the effects of this tea are quite complex. I cannot even get into all the benefits. You need to search saffron on this channel, subscribe right here. You get the real stuff at the sponsor. That is nothing but pure saffron threads right there. Wow. Well, it does all different things for your body. For me, it improves my vision. My vision was getting weak. It got tested. I've been drinking lots of saffron tea every week. And wow, I'm back to 2020. Test it again. Tastes delicious too. That's a side benefit. I really want my eyes to be stronger, healthier, and better. And the saffron seems to be just the ticket. Don't forget, drink tea every day. Honey is good for you. And then here, this is one of these super expensive tea bags. Comes in the little like silk thing. It's not as environmentally friendly. I gotta throw that out there. Sure, it's beautiful green tea and it's gonna be good. I'm gonna brew it for you to show you what I'm talking about. Really, really nice, beautiful tea bag. I just hope somebody recycles it. Video, I wanted to share with you what I'm doing, part of my daily routine. So a couple of tips to help you live longer and live better. And I've got tips in this video. In the next video, I'll have some tips because there's some slightly different effects on honey consumption and all the benefits it can give you. First of all, I drink a lot of tea. Let me focus on the tea for just a minute. So it doesn't matter what kind of tea you drink, but all tea is good for you. It's all beneficial. Lipton, yeah, the cheap stuff, but it's good. It's consistently good. It is a black tea, and it's like orange pico, I believe. 100% sustainably sourced. That means something. This is good stuff, and it gives you a nice boost of caffeine in the morning. Along with these two, these are pretty good here. English tea, so black tea, English breakfast, Constant Comet black tea. It's got a little spice to it. These are good. Green tea. Yeah, it comes in all different flavors, all different kinds. This is regular green tea. It's smooth, it's good for you. And this one here is a mint flavor, still green tea, okay? And So honey comes in all shapes and sizes. You buy the little honey bear, it's cute, I like it. This is a big one. I think it was about 1.5 pounds or so. This is like $10 or $15. Gets expensive, right? So you might want to refill this little guy. I've refilled this one, by the way, maybe 10 or 20 times. I go through a lot of honey. This is 5 pounds, a much better deal. Yeah, and this one here, it's got this super friendly logo on there. You've all seen it before. Craft, it says, okay. Pure honey, that's all it says. No source, nothing else about it. A little sketchy. Plastic. So maybe good, maybe, I don't know. I'm not sure about that one. Anyway, this one here, I like this one, and I always check the source. USA grade A, product of Argentina, that's fine. Usually it's a USA blend. Just depends how much they have. This little B here, that's important. It's pure sourced. It's confirmed that this comes from actual bees and honey hives. There's fake honey out there. There's crazy bee processing places that feed the hives sugar water. I seen it. Canada. Very bad. Always get real pure honey like this. This particular one, oh, there's a few more things on the back here. What do we got? Ingredients. This is important to me. Honey. There's nothing else in here. This is pure honey. Wildflower honey. Okay, this is the good stuff. By the way, you're wondering price? This particular honey is only between $12 and $15 usually. Depends where you buy it, the sale price, all that good stuff. But anyway, 5 pounds. That's a lot of honey. So we take this, we refill this. Wow, you're saving money. "100% pure wildflower honey." And by the way, I like it so much, I never, ever spill a drop of honey. Nothing wasted in my kitchen. And that's important. You should strive for that too. Nothing wasted. This goes on there. Oh yeah, honey bear's full. It's good to go. Let's make some tea. The green tea bag. Whoa, yeah. Silky and beautiful. Boiling hot water. You must have nice boiling water. And I only fill my teacup about so, like this. Normally I use a mug or a very large glass. But I wanted you to see the full effect and the color here. Out the next video. Oh yeah, that's going to be good. Oh yeah, it's going to be good. Like, share, subscribe. Check out your sponsor. Wow. Get cooking and have a great day. Oh, it's going to be good. Check out your sponsor, chefdepot.com, for the biggest, juiciest, fattest vanilla beans on planet Earth. They import them from Madagascar, and wow, you got to experience these. Incredible. This is super good, super nutritious, Search this channel for more award-winning professional chef recipes. So I'm using this block today. I noticed it's getting a little bit dry. Time to oil it again. So I'm going to be using 2 products today. I thought I'd share them with you as I oil this end grain rock maple butcher block. So the first one is, let me see, the first one is my standard right here, and that is this awesome Boost Mystery Oil. Love it.